we built in under 30 minutes. And we have 3 surprises that came in from his aunt. Hi! Welcome to Liam's channel. So we got 3 surprises. I don't know what they are yet. So let's see these. You hear that? Oh, you hear that? Monster truck! We'll trash it all. Can't open it? We'll open it in a bit. Ready for more? Are you ready for more? Oh, it's so exciting! Oh, another one! Oh, another one! You feel that? Oh! Bone shaker! These are awesome. Diecast 2020, brand new. Oh. Ready? Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Boom! The Hulk smash! Check that out. That is sweet. Sweet. We don't have a place to play with them. I have an idea. You want to know what it is? Yeah. Let's build a monster truck arena. And we can build one in less than 30 minutes for under $6. Oh. And this is how. Oh, shit. Bum, bum. Shh. Oh, look it. It even opens up for the bone shaker. You want to take these outside and play with them?
Yeah.
Let's go outside and play with them. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Woo! Whoa! Woo! We are tired, right? Oh, yeah, my back hurts. So no one got these on the last one. We still have our Corvette Z06. Wow. And our mystery pack from the first series. And the winning race with the glowing wheels. Hey. So just like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll send you all 3 of these. Say thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye. Ready?
Yeah.